Hello, Rick.
Hello, teacher.
Where is Sky? Where's Sky? Can you call Kai?
I want okay. To join, but
Thank you. Hello, Kai. Oh, Rick is now back. Hi, good morning, everyone. You're on mute. Oh, I can't hear you, Kai. Oh, are you sick? Oh no, you should drink a lot of water and get some rest after this, guy. Oh, did you eat your breakfast already?
no,
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Are you hungry, Rick?
no.
Are you hungry? Oh no, no. Okay, well, that's good because we'll still learn. And after this, maybe you can eat your breakfast with your family. Okay, so make yourself comfortable, guy. So now let me share my screen and we will start our class with a singing activity with the title I'm okay. Let us sing this one together, okay, Kai and Dre? Yes? No. Okay, so if you don't want to sing it, Kai, that's okay. I and Rick will sing it together.
Page 27. B. Sing. I'm okay.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you? I'm
Okay.
okay.
Here
Here you are.
you are.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hi,
Hi.
how are
How
you?
are you?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Here you
Here
are.
you are.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hi,
Hi.
how
How
are
are
you?
you?
I'm
I'm
okay.
okay.
Here you
Here
are.
you are.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hi,
Hi.
how
How
are
are
you?
you?
I'm
I'm
okay.
okay.
Here you
Here
are.
you are.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Okay, so that ends the singing activity, and now we will proceed to the next one. Oh, we have here the alphabet. So we will sing it together again. Okay, do you know the alphabet, Sky? What about you, Rick? Do you know it?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay. So, since you know it already, I will just ask you one word that starts with the letter H. Okay. So now H is for hat. H is for hat. Now, can you give me another word that starts with H, Rick?
Horse.
Yes, well done. H is for horse. What about you, Guy? H is for Can you give me another word that starts with H? Rick said H is for horse. What other word do we have that's
Hat.
okay? Yes, we have hot, and we also have this kind of hot, okay, which means a high temperature. Very good, both of you. That is correct. Now, what's this? Can you
Insect.
read? Yes, very good. Well, read. Now, I is for insect. Can you give me another word that starts with I, Kai? I is for. Okay, I can't hear you clearly, Kai, but did you say I is for eyes?
No.
Oh, no. What did you say? Oh, I can't hear you clearly, but I can hear Rick clearly. Okay, wait, Kai. I is for, okay, let us say eyes. Now let me see Rick. Okay, can you give me a word that starts with I, Rick?
Egg.
Oh, egg?
Egg.
Egg? Egg? It starts with E.
I. N.
Oh, ink. Okay. Yes, and that is correct. Did Kai said ink too? And we also have, yes, that is right. Yes, ink starts with I, and as well as igloo. Do you know igloo?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, okay. You're so smart, Kai. And so is Rick as well. Now, let us have the next letter. What letter is it?
J.
J. Very good, Kai. Now, can you give me another word that starts with a J, Rick? J is for jump. J is for.
Yes.
Okay, yes, J is for jet. Now, what about you, Kai? Can you give me another word that starts with a J? Okay, let me see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Jack. That is okay. Wait. Oh, jacket. I thought you just say Jack. Okay, jacket is
Jacket.
correct too. Yes, very good. That's correct. Thank you so much. So now, since we're done with that, let us have this. Can you two find the hat? Can you encircle the hat, Kai and Rick? We have two hats here. Where are the hats? What about the other one? Okay, yes, very good. What about the insect? Who can find the insect? Okay, yes, very good. Oh, someone said earlier that they know what an igloo is. Can you encircle the igloo? Where's the igloo? Oh, okay, great job. What about the cat? Where is the cat? Mm-hmm. Okay. What about the jam? Where is the jam? Okay, there you have it. Okay, well done to the both of you. Really smart. Now we'll have making the letters H, I, and J. So, can you show me your hands and make the uppercase H like this? Okay, there you have it. Very good, guy. Can you show me your hands, Rick? Show me your hands like this. Like this. Okay, there you have it. Very good. What about the lowercase h like this? It's easy. Okay, very good. That is correct. Now, what about the uppercase I? The uppercase I. Okay, can you do it? Okay, that is correct. Oh, the easiest lowercase a, just like this. Okay, can you do it, Kai? Thank you, Kai. That's correct. Very good. Now, what about the uppercase J? J. Yes, that is right. It's J now. Okay, let us move on to the lowercase g, like this. Easy, right, Rick? Easy. Okay. Yes, that's correct, guy. Thank you so much. Now, we'll proceed to the next one. Oh, we have here numbers. Can you count 1 to 20, Rick?
Yes.
Oh, what about you, Kai? Can you count 1 to 20? Yes, too. Oh, wow. Okay, can you count 1 to 10, Rick?
Yes.
Okay, can you count right now?
Yes.
Okay, what is the first number? 1?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Oh, that is so quick. What about you, Kai? Can you count 11 to 20? Okay, so we'll start 11.
13, 14, 15, 17, 20.
Okay, there you have it. Okay, so I believe this is way too easy for the both of you because you already know it. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, but let us just practice answering in the complete sentence, okay? How many fish?
1.
Okay, so there's one fish. Okay, can you say there's one fish?
There's 1 fish.
Very good, Rick. Very good, Kai. Okay, can you answer this one, Kai? How many fish?
There are 3 fish. 4 fish.
Okay, there are four fish, Rick. Not three.
1,
See?
2, 3, 4.
Yes, we have four fish. Okay, but nice try. Now, how many fish, Rick?
2 fish.
Okay, can you answer in a complete sentence? There are two fish.
There are 2 fish.
Very good. Oh, this is Kai's turn. How many fish, Kai?
There are 8 fish.
Very good. There are eight fish indeed. Okay. Both of you are so smart. Okay, now let us have this one counting. How many balls, Rick?
There are 1 ball.
Oh, we only have one, so we won't say there are one ball. Instead, we'd say there is one ball. Or we can just directly say, there is a ball. Okay? Because if we say are, it is only used if we have two or more. Now, can you tell me, Kai, how many cars?
There are two cars.
Very good. Hello, Rick. Can you tell me how many trains?
There are three trains.
Very good. Okay, how many fishes, Kai?
There are two fish.
Okay, yes, there are four fishes. And how many fishes, correct?
There are five fish.
Oh, is it five? Okay, yes, it is five. Very good. Okay, so I believe you know the counting. You know how to count already, so we'll skip that one. Now we'll proceed directly in here. Okay. Can you tell me what are these?
These are colors. These are markers.
Oh, are these markers? Are these markers? Crayons.
Colors.
Crayons.
Crayon.
These. Yes. Crayons. Now, what about this one? Do you know this guy?
Or erasers.
Very good. Erasers. That's correct. What are these?
These are pencils.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Rick. What are these?
These are markers.
Okay, are these markers or pens? These are pens, yeah. And the last one, what are these?
These are markers.
Okay, yes, very good. There you have it. Well done. So now let us proceed in here. Okay, can you tell me, Kai, how many yo-yos? How many yo-yos, Kai? Let us see.
10 yo-yo.
Very good. That is correct. Now, can you tell me, Rick, how many pencils?
There are 9 pencils.
Great job. Okay. How many toy boats, Guy? Okay, yes, there are four toy boats. How many crayons, Rick?
There are 7 crayons.
Very good. And how many cars, Guy?
Cars.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Well done to the both of you. So we'll proceed now to another story. Okay, so let us watch this one.
I'm 6. How old are you? I'm 7. How old are you?
I'm 7. How old are you?
I'm 6.
How old are you?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that is the story and it shows the value of being friendly. It means you have to be nice with the people around you, just like in here, okay? They are talking to each other, not fighting. Oh, by the way, how old are you, Rick?
7.
Okay. How old are you, Kai? Oh, you are. Oh, are you twins?
Yeah.
Oh, oh no. Okay. I thought that Kai is younger than Rick. Okay, so you two are twins. Wow, I am surprised. When is your birthday? Can you tell me, Kai?
November 4.
Oh, November 4. Okay. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so now next one. Oh, we have another singing activity. Okay, let us sing this one together.
Page 35. B. Sing. How old are you?
How old are
Are
you?
you?
How
How
old are
old are
you?
you?
1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5.
five.
I'm
I'm
5.
five.
How old
How
are
old are
you?
you?
How old
How
are
old are
you?
you?
1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5.
five.
I'm
I'm
5.
five.
How old
How
are
old are
you?
you?
I'm
I'm
6.
six.
How old
How
are
old are
you?
you?
I'm
I'm
7.
How
seven.
old
How
are
old are
you?
you?
How old
How
are
old are you?
you?
1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5.
five.
I'm
I'm
5.
five. Okay, so we will not finish the singing activity. So now, now since you both know how old you two are, can you tell me how old is your mom? Do you know how old your mom is, Guy?
47.
Oh, Rick knows the answer. Okay, so it's Kai's turn now. How old is your dad, Kai? Oh, 45. Okay. Nice. Okay, thank you so much. Now, I believe I'll just end the class now because I know Kai isn't feeling really well. So, just relax, Kai, and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Rick. Goodbye, Kai. Be safe.